everyone and namaste. Welcome back to our channel. It's me Lakshmi again from BFP Welfare Support Team Brunei. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Nasi Katok. Well, Nasi Katok is a very famous meal in Brunei. It is also called a Bruneian signature food. It consists of plain rice, deep fried chicken and sambal sauce. Today, I'll be showing you two different recipes. They are sambal sauce recipe and deep fried chicken recipe. So let's get started with our first recipe, sambal sauce. To make sambal sauce, we need 3 white onions, 2 red onion, 1 clove of garlic which we have already peeled, and 20 pieces of dry chili, 10 pieces of red chili, spicy red chili, 1 cup oil, 1 tablespoon shrimp paste. It is totally optional. If you are allergic with shrimp or fish, you can avoid it. And 2 tablespoons of tamarind water. This is also optional. And 1 teaspoon seasoning salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. And blender to blend all the ingredients. I have just showed you all the ingredients that we need to make a sambal sauce. So let's start making it. Put all the dry chilies in a hot water and bring it to boil to make it soft. While waiting to boil, let's cut all the onions into small pieces. Don't have to cut too small, into small pieces. Put all the garlics in the blender together with onion. Put little water in the blender and start blending it. Okay, after blending, put all the mixture in separate bowl. And put it aside. Now next, add all the soft chilies and red small chilies and shrimp paste together in the blender. Okay, while blending, put water little by little like this. And put little water. And then again. Okay, now our paste should be like this consistency. Now transfer this paste in another bowl. And put it aside. Here I have onion mixture and chili paste which we have prepared earlier. Now I'm going to make sambal sauce. First, turn on the heat and heat a cup of oil in a pan. When oil is hot, put our onion mixture in a pan, but be careful with the hot oil. After putting all the onion mixture in a pan, just stir it like this and Don't forget to turn your heat onto low settings and let it simmer for 10 minutes or until it turns into dark yellow color. Now it's been 10 minutes. The onion colors has been changed and it's turned into a bit dark color. Now at this point we have to put chili paste. Now we have to put all the ingredients which we have prepared earlier. Now stir it like this. Let it simmer for about 1 hour. While it's simmering, let's move into a chicken recipe. To make a deep fried chicken, we will need 1.5 kg of chicken, 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons black pepper powder, and oil to fry. Okay, without making any delay, let's start making chicken. First, I have already cleaned the chicken, and next we have to put all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl and mix it together. And then 2 eggs, put in a separate bowl and beat it. Now finally, take a piece of chicken and coat it in beaten egg. And then after, coat it in flour mixture which we have prepared earlier. Just coat it like this. After it's fully coated, put in a hot oil and wait until it turns into golden brown at one side, and then turn it over and again wait until it's golden brown color. Once everything is cooked, do nice plating. Here I have done like this and it's ready to serve and eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.